Hi everyone, today I'm gonna replace an equal battery on a Genesis GV70. To do this we need to go behind the dash in this area here. So what we will be doing, we're gonna have to open the glove box. Gonna take them out of here, one other here, right, go out, and then we're gonna take this one out here as well, so we can have access in here. This is also where the cabin filter is. It's there, very easy to get it. And the equal battery, which looks like this, and the part number is this one, is located right here in this box here, and you can see there's a little clip there, pull out, and there's another one all the way up here. So you just fit your finger in there, you will be able to put that clip away. So you open this one here, and there's your equal battery, and there's a little connector there. Okay, just try to zoom in on it. Yeah, it's gonna press on that tab, I'm gonna pull it out, which I'm gonna do now. Alright, let's try to get in there. Right, so the battery came out. So the battery just pulls out, it's nothing complicated. So I'm gonna try to push one finger on the connector there, and then just pull the wiring backwards. There we go. Alright, so let's get the new one. Let's just plug it in there now. So connector needs, it's a 3-pin connector, you can see there. We're gonna try to, oh, that's so complicated, oh my god. Alright, so here we go. This is very hard with one hand. Right, I'll pause the video and I use two hands because just can't do it one hand. Alright, so I managed. So I just bend the wire in such a way so I can guide the hole, and with the other finger just push the clip in until it clipped in. Now we're gonna squeeze this down. I'm gonna try to put it in its place where it was. Like this. Alright, so that's all the way in, and now let's pull the little cover back. Alright, and that's equal battery done. Let's put this soft open thing back. You can pull it out now. This. Then let's put this one back in there. And another one. And that's it. That's how you change the equal battery on a Genesis GV70. Thank you very much for watching this video, guys. I hope you found it useful, and I will see you on my next video.